How to delete the Meetup account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will show you how you can delete your Meetup account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to delete our Meetup account, what you have to do is first of all just open up your browser and then go to meetup.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Just go to meetup.com and then it'll automatically land on this page right over here. So once you're logged into your account, on the very top right hand side you'll be able to see a profile picture. You just want to click on the drop down icon here, and then here you want to simply navigate to the option that says settings. So just go to the one that says settings. As you go to the option called settings, right over here you'll see all of your profile information and so on, and on the left hand side you'll find the option called account management. So just click on that option. Under account management, you have to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called deactivate your account. Now you might tell me that this is the option to deactivate it and not delete it. Well, you have to understand that Meetup does not offer any other way to delete your account. Deactivating means basically you have to create a new account. If you want to log into the same account, you will not be able to do so. So let me also just show you again. It says if you decide to use Meetup again, you'll need to create a new account. So deactivate account is basically as good as deleting it in the Meetup's case. So just go ahead and choose the button called deactivate account, and as you do that, right over here you'll be able to enter your current password, and after you enter your current password you just need to click on the submit option in order to deactivate or delete your Meetup account. That's all it takes to delete your Meetup account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.